Hi, Michael here from LSW Lighting. And we're seeing more office towers being converted to residential towers here in the Alberta market. Finding quality 4-inch fire-rated downlights at cost-effective prices can be challenging. Leviton has you covered using Intense Lighting's LC4. There are many reasons why the LC4 is great. Quick disconnect is standard, so installation and maintenance is a breeze. And as you would expect from Intense Lighting, 90 CRI and a 2-step McAdam for tight bending is standard. The LC4 offering comes in square or round, flat frame, wall wash, and adjustable downlights are available. And you can get a drop lens. Trim finishes include white, black, and satin nickel. The LC4 doesn't disappoint, using quality materials and components, meeting many standards including wet location and the UL 263 standard. You also can get these options in dim to warm. Choose from 4 standard color temperatures and a number of lumen packages are available. So when you need quality, budget-friendly fire-rated downlights, take a look at the LC4. You won't be disappointed. If you have any questions or if you need help with a project here in the Alberta market, please call us at LSW Lighting. We would love to help. Again, my name is Michael Gonzalez. Thank you for tuning in.